Our last guest learned about her ovarian cancer visiting her dermatologist. So that made us wonder, what else do derm detectives discover? Well, joining us to answer that question is my friend and colleague, our favorite board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Sonia Batra. Welcome back, as always, Sonia.
Thank you so much, Drew. Great to see you. Thank you so much for having me.
Great to see you. And let's get back to Kari's case a little bit. I mean, how common is it for a cancer to present and come through to the belly button?
Well, so interestingly, there's a name for what Kari had, and it is a diagnostic sign, as I'm sure you know. It's called a Sister Mary Joseph nodule. And what that is it's a metastasis from an internal cancer to the belly button or the umbilicus. And we most commonly see it with gastrointestinal cancers, but the second most common cause of it is ovarian cancer. And to your question, it's not super common. In fact, only about 1 to 3% of the time will an internal malignancy show up as a Sister Mary Joseph nodule. Thank goodness it did for her to help her get diagnosed. But oftentimes, unfortunately, it's the first sign of an internal malignancy that's been missed. It's the first thing you can actually see.
Dr. Batra, how often do you discover other underlying health conditions just being the great dermatologist you are and examining their skin?
Well, thank you, Drew. I think all dermatologists, like you said, we're detectives. So we look people over head to toe. The skin is the largest organ. It's going to give us so many clues about what's going on internally. In Kari's case, only about 3 to 10% of cancers even metastasize to the skin. But sadly, I have personally diagnosed metastatic breast cancer, metastatic ovarian cancer. I mean, we do see it. And the other aspect of the skin is it's a great reflector of your nutritional status, your general health. There's certainly other general medical conditions that sometimes I, as a dermatologist, am the first person sending someone for blood tests to diagnose other diseases.
We're living in uncertain times.
Delta variant is
It's not always easy to keep up with the latest medical headlines. That's where the doctors come in. Now in our 14th season, the doctors continue to bring health and happiness into your life, giving you solid takeaway information.
Things aren't being as heavily regulated as you might think.
And we're uncovering medical scams to keep you safe.
A lot of them contained a dangerous chemical known to cause cancer.
What works and what doesn't.
I'm always a doctor, but this was one of the few times that I was a patient, and it can be scary.
The hottest trends in beauty and wellness.
Pull it up, keep it tight.
The prognosis is good. The doctors, a prescription for a better you.